And I am head of staff at First Presbyterian Church in Shelbyville, Kentucky. My former life, I was a molecular biologist. The last place that I served in a lab was at Vanderbilt University Medical Center in pediatric cardiology. Um, in thinking about the church and the church going through changes, I think about changes and metamorphosis comes to mind. When I think about metamorphosis, I think about the actual process. Everybody loves the story of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, the mundane, maybe even ugly creature that stings you becomes the beautiful creature that flies. But if a caterpillar knew what it was getting into when it made that chrysalis that it sleeps in, I don't think it'd get in that chrysalis. What actually happens at one point in the process of metamorphosis, every cell becomes detached from each other in that caterpillar until it's nothing but a goo, a soupy goo with no structure at all. And from that point, then the cells come back together to form something totally different. That the caterpillar must lose all structure of itself, all identity of itself, to become a creature that can come out, pump blood through its wings to spread them so that they can dry, and then fly off to start another generation. Kind of look at the church that way. The body of Christ being contained in the chrysalis of Christ, and that God is the one that puts those structures back in place to form something we could never, ever come up with ourselves.